Hello everyone, myself Bhushan Subhash Singh Pardeshi from KNMS Art Commerce Science and Satana College. Today we are going to discuss cellular telephone concepts. These are the outlines of our lectures. Introduction Mobile telephone services, evolution of cellular telephones. So, what is MTS? Mobile telephone service. It is begun in 1940s and called MTS, mobile telephone system, or sometimes manual telephone systems. The MTS system was comparable to a party lines, as all subscriber with their module telephones turn on cloud hear any conversation. It is use a push to talk PPT switch to activate the transceiver. MTS numbers were generally 5 digits long and could not be accessed directly through the public switch telephone network, that is PSTN. Improved mobile telephone services. It was introduced in 1964, used several carrier frequencies, and could handle several simultaneous mobile conversions at the same time. Like MTS, its base station transmitters outputted powers in the 100 watt to 200 watt range, and mobile units transmitted between 5 watt and 25 watt. So, why early MTS were not widely used? Because of high cost, limited availability, narrow frequency allocations. It is terminology mobile, any radio transmitter receiver or transceiver that could be moved while in operation. In early days, we are using mobile phones. Hmm? That is, second one, portable, a relatively small radio unit that was handheld, battery powered, and easily carried by a person moving at walking speed. Mobile telephone is a one to one system that permits two-way simultaneous transmission and for privacy. Each telephone is assigned a unique telephone number. As we know, so mobile telephone number is unique. Every person has a different numbers, unique numbers. Cellular telephone, similar to similar to two-way mobile radio, that most communication occurs between base station and mobile units. Communicate directly with base station that are fixed position transceiver with relatively high power transmitters and receivers. What are the evolutions of cellular telephones? In June 17, 1946, AT&T and Southwestern Bell introduced the first American commercial mobile radio telephone service to provide customer. And in 1947, AT&T introduced a radio telephone service they called highway service between New York and Boston. These are the evolution of cellular telephones. First, as we discussed, June 17, 1946, AT&T and Southwestern Bell introduced the first American commercial mobile radio telephone service to private customers. For private customers, 1947, AT&T introduced a radio telephone service they called highway service between New York and Boston. In 1940s, the first half duplex PPT-FM mobile telephone was introduced. And in 1940s, FCC doubled the number of mobile telephone channels. In 1960, AT&T introduced direct dialing full duplex mobile telephone services. 1968, AT&T proposed the concept of cellular mobile system. 1966, unveiled the mobile phone. In 1974, FCC allocated additional 40 MHz bandwidth for cellular telephone. In 1975, FCC granted AT&T the first license to operate a developmental cellular telephone service in Chicago. 1976, Bell mobile phone service for New York City offered only 12 channels that serve 543 subscribers. In 1991, first digital cellular services were introduced in several major US cities, United States cities. And in 1998, 17 November 1998, subsidiary of Motorola Corporation implemented a satellite-based wireless personal communication satellite system called IRIDIM. Thank you.